Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about, actually I'm not sure what we're talking about. It looks sort of like a toddler's push toy.
That's actually, Emmy and Bennett used to take this when they were kids and they would push it around the house.
Okay.
No, actually this is a fan.
It's a fan?
Yes.
All right.
This is the Lasko Stanley fan.
Okay.
So I've had great luck with these fans. And again, when I was back in the construction, every trailer had a minimum of 2 of these in it. We use these for drying out mud.
Okay.
We use them for ventilation, cooling down. I use them when we pull the boat out and put the cover on. I'll put it in the boat and dry as it sits on the trailer. I'll dry out the boat and keep it plugged because it keeps air going. With that centrifugal fan motor in there, it's really, really quiet. So now you can sort of see it more.
Okay,
as I spin it up.
So. This is where, that makes sense.
Yeah, so the air comes in here, it blows through here. I love the 2 outlets. So yes.
You can
link them,
extension cord too.
Extension cord, whatever you want to do. It's got 3 speeds on it. It also has the breaker on it, so if you pop that on there. So, if you listen to how quiet this thing is, it's not that loud.
That's not loud at all.
No. So,
can you feel that?
Oh gosh, yeah, love it in the hair. So another great thing is that, like, for people that spill their drinks on the weekends, like you could take this in and then flip it upside down, and now you can
just drying out the carpet before your girlfriend gets home.
That's right. She'll never know.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
So it's the Lasko Stanley fan.
Yeah.
Costs about $60.
Yeah.
Get it at Home Depot, Menards, online. Best $60 you'll spend.
Yeah. Get yourself 2.
Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love. I love the different angles you can do on it here. You got
click it up. God, my hair's still wet.
Yeah.
I need to dry it out. But it's wherever you want it. And then
that's good.
Yeah, it
Kinda
keeps
like
you
a rock
dry.
star, right?